your own AI co-pilots that run Google and Meta ads for just 20 to 50 bucks a month. And I have a full resource of how you can set it up, so check it out with me. Okay, so this resource, you have a fully automated ad audit system from using the Moltbot, running daily checks on your Meta and Google accounts even while you sleep. So I'm already have it running for myself. The costs are 10 to 50 bucks a month, depending how much data you need it to go through. But usually you'll spend like 10, 20 bucks tops. And it's for API fees. So it's super cheap, cheaper than hiring anyone to supervise it. It will grant you spend alerts, it will give you creative diagnosis, it will give you audience insights, conversion tracking checks, Notion dashboard. I use it myself also, everything within Notion. And how to make the most out of it. I mean, it's super simple. You just need to install Moltbot and connect it to your API key. Connect your Meta and Google Ads account through the different APIs that can take literally tops 20 minutes. The 20 minutes that you're going to spend are here to create everything. Then you just give your Notion credential with the database. And okay, you have it up and running. That is all. And you schedule all the daily audits to run it automatically. So okay, let's go into it so you can already see part of the resource. By the way, you'll have the link in the description, so feel free to ask for it, feel free to get it. It's all yours. So we'll go through Moltbot Ads Co-pilot, the setup guide, the 5 audit checks, the automating daily audits, and the Notion dashboard setup. So you literally, with this guide, get everything already done for you. You just need to put it up and running on your side. So as you can see, to get it, well, you'll build an AI agent that is private. It's not gonna be exposing or leaking any of your information. It's literally gonna be in-house, only having your info. So forget about all the comments of, well, but it's not safe and all that shit, because that's not gonna be truth in this scenario. It'll audit your Google and Meta accounts daily, even more than once a day if you want, even though I don't recommend it. It'll flags if there's any wasted ad spend automatically. It'll send reports to you on Notion or even create tasks. I will have it creating tasks on a daily basis. And those are the costs. By the way, what do you need? A computer? Node, yes. Moltbot can install it for you. The API key, I do recommend Anthropic or Cloud, but you can also use OpenAI, your Meta Ads account, your Google Ads account, and Notion. That's pretty important. You have here the full setup, how to do it. So yeah, I'll just let you go through it and how to get all your credentials, how to connect all the API. You have everything explained here. Then on the 5 audit checks overview, you'll get to check the spend alerts. What it catches: campaigns burning budget with no results. So if you're getting no leads and no qualified leads, turn it off. The creative diagnosis, if there's any kind of ad fatigue before the CTR, all those kind of things, they'll provide you the information. Audience insights to already don't overlap and don't waste on reach. Conversion tracking, pixel issues and attribution gaps, also let you know. And optimization recs, what to change and why. That's the most important part by the end of the day. You don't want it just to do the maths to go through the data, but you want it to let you know how to take action. You can go through it and check it out. Already pretty much everything explained. Then the automation, how to automate in daily audits. Again, here you have the whole explanation. How to set it and forget it. Your Ads Co-pilot runs while you sleep. That's the most important. You'll keep working, not complaining, and don't get a sick leave. The goal of it is having, instead of manually running the audits, Moltbot will run a full audit every morning at 6 a.m., for example. That's why I have it. Output findings to Notion, nor tasks, and alert via WhatsApp if there's a critical issue. Do this 7 days a week without you touching anything. Sounds interesting, right? Last but not least, the Notion dashboard setup. This is going to be your command center for ad performance. What you'll build, a Notion workspace, where, or you don't need to build it if you already have one, you just need to build a dashboard with all audit findings land automatically. You'll see issues at glance, nothing falls through the cracks. Historical data shows trends over time. So it's not just reporting on a daily basis, it will also provide you historic and how to take decisions based on that information. Something sounds interesting, right? So I'll be dropping the link on the description. You can ask for it in the comments and I'll send it through. So that is it for today. Let me know if that's interesting. Subscribe if you want more insightful documents of this one. And if there's anything that you are really looking for, drop in the comments and I'll create a guide just for you. Have a great one. Bye bye.